In part B, we've got two equations again, so I'm going to label them 1 and 2. But this time, you can see that we kind of do have the same coefficient of y. I know one of them is positive and the other one's negative, but it's the numbers that we're looking at to be the same. And actually, if one is positive and one is negative, that affects what we're going to do in a minute. So we don't need to multiply either of these equations. We've got the same coefficients of y, but how can we eliminate the y's? It's not going to be by subtracting this time. If we subtract negative 2y from positive 2y, let's see what we'd get. Subtract negative 2y. Well, we know this would turn into a plus, so that would give us 4y, not what we want. We want to get rid of them. So this time we're going to actually add these two equations together. Adding 2y and negative 2y would cancel them out. So we're going to add these two equations together. Now, just as a rule of thumb, if these two are the same, we subtract. So same signs subtract. And if they're different, add them. That will eliminate that variable. Okay, so I'll just put that there to remind us. So 2x plus 3x gives us 5x. 2y plus negative 2y gives us 0, which is what we wanted. And 2 plus 18 gives us 20. So if 5x's are 20, if we divide by 5, we find that x is 4. That's one of our variables. Substitute that back into one of the equations. I'm going to substitute that into equation 1, since I only have to times it by 2 then. So 2 lots of x, 2 lots of 4 is 8, plus 2y gives us 2. So a bit of rearranging. Let's get rid of the 8. By taking it away, that leaves us the 2y. Now 2 minus 8 gives us negative 6, and then dividing by 2 will give us the value of y. So y is negative 3. So x is 4 and y is negative 3. Now remember, you can always substitute these both back into one of the equations to check it works at the end as well if you're not quite 100% certain.